It's been an especially busy week for PennDOT.
Crews are working in shifts around the clock to keep the roads as safe as possible. Mallory Metzner joins us with that and a reminder for those learning to drive. Mallory.
Valerie, Alicia, PennDOT says they aren't expecting too much black ice tonight. The agency says now is also a good time for student drivers to practice. Back-to-back winter storms making central Pennsylvania roads slippery.
And it is more challenging for us to fight them when they are like an ice storm and a little storm over and over versus just getting hit with a lot of snow.
The snow also presents a necessary challenge for new drivers.
If they are on their permit, they are required to have 5 hours of inclement weather driving. You don't want the first time that your kid has to go out and deal with this weather to be without you.
Carlisle High School driver's ed safety teacher Justin Kretzing takes his students out in weather like this any chance he gets.
Open parking lots are great places to take a young driver so they can hit their brakes very forcefully, hit their gas a little forcefully, just to have those experiences.
These are specific skills the slick roads can help teach.
And when it begins to snow, precipitate like this, we need to change how we use those pedals. We need to be very gentle on the gas pedal.
Jeremy Hughes says Shield Driving School loves to give lessons in this type of wet weather.
We have parents that are very nervous when it comes to that. We have students that are nervous. We have others that are very excited to go out in weather like this and just kind of experience what it feels like when the car slides or when you try to take a sharp turn, the car gets out from under them.
And sometimes slower speeds are safer.
Always allow more time to slow down and stop, as well as following distance. We usually teach the 4-second rule here. The 4-second rule increases when you have bad weather. So at least 5, 6, 7 seconds following distance when you're behind another vehicle.
Driving instructors will cancel if conditions are too dangerous. PennDOT and the driving teachers I spoke with remind parents to keep riding with their kids even after they get their license, to keep an eye on their skills and to help them practice. In studio, Mallory Metzner, ABC 27 News.